Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about switch conditional statement. Switch is a statement that allows a variable to be tested over a list of values. In this tutorial, we will be going through the switch statement and I will explain you how it works and how can you use that in your program. I have already written the code, so let's just open that. It's a very simple program which have included standard io.h. There is just one main method. Here we have a character grade and I have assigned its value a. Then we are printing your result is. Then this is our switch statement. Now in the switch bracket you have to write the expression. Here we have given grade and then every option or every value from our list has to be represented as a case. So case A, printf, very good, and break. This means if this grade matches this case, it will execute this statement or this block of statements and then it breaks. Second is case B. So if the grade is B, it will print good and then break. That means if any of the case matches with the expression, it executes the block of code. In the end, we have our default, which prints average. Now let's run this program. And as you can see, it shows your result is good. It's very good. Now it is very good because our grade was A and so it has executed this line of code. Let's change our grade to C and run our program again. It asks for save changes, press yes, and it says your result is poor. Now it says your result is poor because our grade was C and this case C is matched. If we type D and run our program, it should be matching with the grade with this D, and so this block of statement should execute and it should be your result is bad. Let's execute. Exactly. So if this expression matches with any of this case, it executes the block of statement false along with that case. If our expression is not being matched with any of this case, it will look for default. Let's say our grade is Z, we save the file, so it is not matching with any of these cases. Let's run this. It says your result is average because it executed this block of statement. If expression is not matching with any case, it will look for default. So this is how switch statement works in C. Thank you.